Hello and good morning. I'm so glad you could join me today. I'll be updating some displays in my kitchen this morning. Then I'll be heading upstairs to decorate a neglected corner in the sitting room. There's a nice big desk just waiting for some charm and personality. And then finally, I'll be trying a new to me craft called Punch Needle Embroidery. I'm excited to get started and I hope you'll join me for today's activities, but first, some breakfast. This past weekend, I had a chance to stop in at Home Goods, and while I was there, I found 2 marble trays, which I think will look really good in the kitchen. Here's the first tray, and isn't it just gorgeous? I love the detail around the outside of the tray. It adds a nice little touch, and then I absolutely love the buttoned feet in an antique gold. I think it is so pretty. And here is the second tray. This sucker is super heavy and it's just very basic, but I love the long skinny shape, and then it has the same sort of feet as well. I'm excited to get them placed in the kitchen and then add some new decor to each. This small tray is perfect for my windowsill. The second tray I'm going to stack in front of the cutting boards that I use on a daily basis, and it's going to hold some kitchen essentials within easy reach. And since I'm already in the kitchen, I should probably switch out this Christmas pillow cover for something more appropriate for February. My main project for today is to add some personality to this desk in our upstairs seating area. I have been scrounging around my decor stash looking for anything that has a vintage office vibe, and I am hoping I have found enough items to create an interesting arrangement. So let's go ahead and get started with the cubbies hanging on the wall above the desk. This was so much fun, and I think it turned out really well. It definitely makes me want to sit down and do some typing. My daughter bought me this punch needle kit for Christmas, and I have been dying to get started on it, and I finally have a lull in other activities that I'm doing, and I don't currently have any projects started, so I thought it was the perfect time to get this out and give it a try. I have never tried punch needle before, so I'm interested to see if I'm any good at it, and the kit apparently comes with everything I need to get started. So in case you're interested, I will link this kit down below, and I'll quickly go through everything included. So you get a embroidery hoop and then a plastic needle, and this looks like a pair of little scissors. Yep, snip snip. And then you also get this little wire thingy. I'm not sure what it's for. I'm assuming it's for threading the punch tool. I'm not sure. I'll have to read up on it. There is also a needle threader, which is handy. And then the punch needle itself, followed by some instructions. And then this last package looks like I've got the canvas that is got the pattern on it. And finally, all the yarn that I need to complete the project. So I'm gonna browse through the instructions, maybe watch a couple tutorials, and then I'll show you how it goes. Okay, this is seriously fun and super easy. However, I'm not good enough at it right now to actually film myself doing it. So I will link a couple videos I used to learn how to do this for reference down below if you're interested. But as you can see, I've been making some pretty good progress, and I've only worked on it for about an hour. So this is a very fast moving craft, which I am very much enjoying. So that, my friends, is how I spent the day. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would love to know what you think down in the comments, and I will see you guys again next Thursday for a new video. Bye now.